Texas, 'cause I'm still there. I left my heart in the hill country air. I left my heart with a man I hardly know, way down in Texas, next to Mexico. So I'll sing a song of love, I'll write one more of war. I'll sing a song of strength to endure what's in store. And as the northwest rain tries to drown this spark, I'll sing a song of love. It's a good place to start. I don't miss Texas, devil dust and hellish heat, but I do miss peace and the freedom of retreat. I miss the days of blessed ignorance before this fool's parade.